Alright. I guess we'll do... Or did you want to go left? I mean right for this one?
Yeah, want to just go down the trail?
Okay.
See what's over there?
Yeah, sure.
Down there yet. I might just end up in that field, though.
Or what about the trail to the left? The trail. Not the... What does that say? Drifter? Oh, Ripper. What's Ripper? Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay, let's do this one. Oh man. Oh man. Okay, okay. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, that was a jump. Oh, that was weird. Oh! Ah! My hand came off the bar. Fuck. Yeah. Oh, I just got cut the fuck up. Ow, my balls too. Ah, I moved my bike. Ah, my fucking hand came off the bar. Ow.